The 2024 Sherco 300 Shea Factory. What's new for 2024 model year? New 2024 graphics kit. New LED headlight. New front fender. New clutch cover. New swing arm. New frame paint. New wheels. New rear sprocket. New diamond SELLE DALLA, VALLE seat. KYB front suspension with closed cartridges. KYB rear shock absorber. GALFER front brake disc. Brembo brake system. Specs. Engine. 2-stroke single-cylinder with electronically controlled valve system. Displacement. 293 2cc. Clutch. Brembo hydraulic control, multi-disc in oil bath. Carburetor. Keihin PWK 36 carburetor. Cooling. Liquid with forced circulation. Start. Electric starter. Chassis. Semi-perimeter high-strength chrome-molybdenum steel. Tank. 10.4 liters capacity. Front suspension. KYB 48mm closed cartridge technology. Hydraulic setting plus specific spring rate. Rear suspension. KYB shock absorber 330mm rear wheel travel. Hydraulic plus specific spring rate. Seat base. 950mm. Brakes. Hydraulic Brembo 260mm at front, 220mm at rear. Front wheel. Excel 21-inch black anodized rim and Michelin Enduro medium tire. Rear wheel. Excel 18-inch black anodized rim and Michelin Enduro medium tire.